Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I'm going to be talking about all the different places for where you can earn interest on your CRO. I saw a Reddit post where a user asked how come you would stake CRO in an earn term for a 3-month lock to get 6% right here, compared to staking on the DeFi wallet and get like 20%, or currently it's like at like 50%. So I thought I would make this video explaining all the reasonings on why you may choose to stake for lower interest on the app versus the DeFi wallet that gives you higher interest. So I am in the USA, so I haven't researched Supercharger or the exchange, so I don't know about staking or depositing CRO into any of those. So I'm going to be sticking with the Crypto.com app for earn terms and the DeFi wallet. Okay, so even though DeFi wallet pays better in interest by far, we still have to look at a few things to remember, and remember to do these things correctly as well. So with the DeFi wallet, you have to kind of understand a lot of things about it for knowing if you want to stake for the 20% or higher currently. So first off, the DeFi wallet, you are your own bank. So you're in control of your full funds. It's fully on you. You have 100% responsibility. You also must write down the 12-word seed recovery phrase and store it safely, and do not write down your 12 words onto anything with internet access. Always make sure to triple check the crypto addresses you are sending to and from, because if you send crypto to a wrong address, there's nothing you or anybody else can do to reverse it, and you must understand how the 12 words work and why it's so important to always know your 12 words. For example, if your phone breaks and you get a new one, you'll need your 12 words to recover your crypto. If you don't have it, you're out of luck. If you uninstall and reinstall the DeFi wallet, you'll need the 12 words. If you reformat your phone, you'll need the 12 words. Even if you have your phone backed up, you'll still need your 12 words once you load up the backed up version. If you forget your passcode to enter the app, then you'll need your 12 words. Also, if you write down your 12 words online anywhere and a hacker gets access to where you typed it out, they can steal all your crypto, because all that anybody needs is your 12 words, and they can instantly steal your crypto very easily with that. These are all things that you may not have to worry about when using the app. The app has a forgot password section, so it makes it very easy to reaccess your account. Also, there's a username or email and password section for when you need to reinstall the app. Also, if someone were to hack your Crypto.com account, if you have your crypto locked in a 3-month term, they wouldn't be able to steal it, as it's locked and you'll have however many days or months to get it back. I know if you stake on chain, there's a 28-day unwaiting period, but that doesn't change the fact that if someone has your 12 words, they'll still steal your crypto either way. So when you're looking at the DeFi wallet compared to the app, there's a lot of things. But basically, the DeFi wallet, go ahead and deposit your crypto onto the DeFi wallet, but just remember that you'll need your 12 words. Write down the 12 words. Don't write it down anywhere online. Store it like in a safe or somewhere in your house, or there's a bunch of different ways you can store it. I personally have a 24-word seed phrase right here, and it looks like this, and you store your 12 to 24 words in here, and there's different prices for it. It's a Kobo tablet, so I got the $40 one. It's fireproof, water resistant, all of that, and so you have them like engraved, and it's like locked away. So if you write it on a piece of paper, it's not waterproof, it's not fireproof or any of that, and it's best to have something like this if you're gonna store a lot of crypto. If it's only like a few $100 or maybe like only a few $1,000, still write down your 12 words, but you can do it on a piece of paper. That's completely fine, as this is kind of a little bit more hard work and costs $40. I do this for my Ledger Nano X because that's where I store like the majority of my crypto. So that's what that's for. For my DeFi wallet, I do have a lot of CRO on here. Probably like I'm gonna have like right now it's at like $500 in my DeFi wallet worth of CRO, and it's gonna be even more eventually as I keep staking more and more on chain. Although I have personally just written down my 12 words and stored it in my safe, so that's what I'm doing. That's what you guys should do as well. And just remember how important your 12 words are, as there's no forgot password, lost username, or anything like that. Like, there's so many situations to where if you don't have your 12 words written down, you'll be screwed out of your crypto holdings. So that's basically the main thing. And remember, the 12 words will work with any other crypto wallet as well. The 12 words isn't directly related to the DeFi wallet app only. let's say DeFi wallet just all of a sudden was no longer accessible on the Google Play Store or App Store or anything like that, and they just removed their app, just rug pulled it out from under us, right? As long as you have your 12 words, and obviously it's a legitimate app, but let's say for some reason it was pulled from everywhere, so it was nowhere you could be downloaded, and you didn't have it downloaded anymore, but you still had crypto in it. The way you would be able to get access to your crypto then is to enter your 12 words into like another crypto wallet. It could be the Coinbase wallet. I wonder if I can find it. So like this wallet right here, it's another non-custodial wallet, and you can back up your 12 words onto here. So you can import a seed phrase and enter your 12 words, and all your crypto will be restored back onto here. It can be any non-custodial wallet. So, and it'll back up your crypto, and you'll be able to access it again. So it's really about just understanding how your 12 words work, and sometimes it's 24 words with other crypto wallets. But yeah, so as long as you know how that works and you store it safely, then you'll be fine using the DeFi wallet. But if you have no clue about the 12 words, you don't back it up or anything, that's way too dangerous. And for people who don't really want to get the knowledge and research and understanding of how non-custodial crypto wallets work, it's best just to keep it in the crypto app, so you're not your own bank. You know, it's more reliant on crypto.com. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know whether you're staking on chain or what you're going to keep it in the app for 6% or whatnot. All right, see you guys later in my next video.